Hey travelers, ready to upgrade your adventures in 2025? Today, we're diving into the best travel luggage that's smart, durable, and perfect for your next trip. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a weekend explorer, we've got the top picks for you. All the links to these amazing bags are right down below in the description, so make sure to check them out and grab yours before your next getaway. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on the latest travel gear reviews. Number 5. Briggs & Riley Torque Extra Large Trunk Spinner. The Briggs & Riley Torque Extra Large Trunk Spinner is a premium checked luggage option designed for travelers needing substantial packing space. With dimensions of 32.5 x 20.5 x through 12.5 inches and a weight of 10.4 pounds, it offers a massive 112.7-liter capacity, ideal for extended trips or overpackers. Its hard-shell polycarbonate exterior is sleek, durable, and resistant to scratches, while the professional aesthetic appeals to business and leisure travelers alike. The bag features a unique CXTM compression expansion system, allowing up to 25% more packing space while keeping contents secure and wrinkle-free. 4 double-spinner wheels ensure smooth 360-degree maneuverability, and the TSA-approved lock adds security. The interior includes a garment folder and multiple zippered pockets for organization, complemented by a lifetime warranty that covers all damage, including airline mishandling, with no proof of purchase required. The external handle design maximizes interior space, creating a flat packing surface. However, its large size can be cumbersome, often exceeding airline weight limits when fully packed, making it less suitable for budget airlines with strict restrictions. The wheels, while functional, struggle on uneven surfaces like gravel or cobblestone, requiring more effort to maneuver. Its high price point, around $729, may deter budget-conscious travelers, and the lack of extensive organizational compartments can make packing such a large space challenging without additional organizers. This suitcase is best for those prioritizing durability and capacity over portability, but its weight, 10.4 pounds empty, and size may overwhelm casual travelers or those navigating rough terrain. Number 4. Travel Pro Max Lite 521 Carry-On Expandable Spinner. The Travel Pro Max Lite 521 Carry-On Expandable Spinner is a lightweight, budget-friendly option for travelers seeking reliability without breaking the bank. Measuring 23 x 14.5 x 9 inches, including wheels, and weighing just 5.3 pounds, it's one of the lightest carry-ons available, ideal for domestic and some international flights. Its polyester exterior, coated with Duragard, resists water and stains, while the soft side design allows flexibility for overpackers. The bag offers a 38-liter capacity, expandable by up to 2 inches, and includes a front zippered pocket for quick access items like passports. 4 spinner wheels provide smooth rolling, and the ergonomic handle adjusts to multiple heights. A limited lifetime warranty covers defects, with airline damage covered for the first year if registered. Praised for its affordability, around $170, it's a favorite among occasional travelers. However, its lightweight construction compromises durability. The polyester exterior is prone to wear on edges, and the wheels are less robust on rough surfaces like cobblestone. The warranty is less comprehensive than premium brands, with limited coverage for airline damage after the first year, and replacement parts can be hard to source. The 23-inch height, when expanded, may exceed some airline carry-on limits, risking gate checking. The internal organization is basic, lacking the sophisticated compartments of higher-end models, and the zippers may feel less sturdy under heavy use. This bag suits budget travelers prioritizing weight and cost, but may not withstand frequent, rigorous travel. Number 3. Osprey Transporter Wheeled Carry-On 38. The Osprey Transporter Wheeled Carry-On 38 is a rugged, 2-wheeled soft side bag designed for adventurers tackling varied terrains. With dimensions of 21.6 x 14.1 x 9 inches and a weight of 6.2 pounds, it offers a 38-liter capacity, fitting most international carry-on restrictions. Its durable, recycled polyester exterior withstands abrasions, and the backpack-inspired design includes multiple grab handles and secondary compartments for organization. The oversized wheels excel on uneven surfaces like brick or grass, earning top scores in testing for off-road performance. A padded laptop sleeve and compression straps enhance functionality, while the slim profile navigates tight spaces like crowded trains. Priced around $300, it balances durability and affordability, with a lifetime warranty covering defects. However, the two-wheel design requires tilting, which can be less convenient in airports compared to spinners. The lack of a telescoping handle lock may annoy users on slopes, and the wheels, while durable, are noisier on smooth surfaces. The main compartment, while spacious, lacks extensive dividers which may frustrate organized packers. The exterior, though tough, isn't as sleek as hardshell options, potentially looking less professional. The bag's capacity is slightly smaller than some competitors, limiting packing for longer trips. This carry-on is ideal for travelers prioritizing durability and off-road capability, but may not suit those needing spinner wheels or a polished look. Number 2. Away Carry-On Luggage. The Away Carry-On Luggage is a stylish, hard-shell suitcase favored for its balance of design, functionality, and value. Measuring 21.7 x 13.7 x 9 inches and weighing 7.5 pounds, it offers a 39.8-liter capacity, fitting most domestic and international carry-on requirements. Its polycarbonate shell is lightweight yet durable, resisting scratches and dents, while the minimalist design comes in multiple colors. 4. Hinomoto spinner wheels provide smooth, quiet rolling, and the TSA-approved combination lock ensures security. The interior features a compression system, a laundry bag, and a mesh pocket for organization. A built-in USB port, power bank not included, allows on-the-go charging, and the limited lifetime warranty covers defects, with airline damage covered for the first year if registered. Priced around $275, it's a mid-range option with premium features. However, the non-expandable design limits packing flexibility, making it less forgiving for overpackers. The exterior can show scuffs over time, especially in lighter colors, and the USB port adds weight without being essential for all users. The handle, while sturdy, has less height adjustability than competitors, potentially inconveniencing taller travelers. The capacity, while adequate, is outdone by expandable soft-side bags, and the hard shell can be less pliable in tight overhead bins. This suitcase is perfect for style-conscious travelers seeking a reliable carry-on, but may not suit those needing maximum space or rugged durability. Number 1. TravelPro Platinum Elite. Large check-in. Spinner, the TravelPro Platinum Elite. Large check-in spinner is a top-tier soft-side suitcase, lauded for its durability, organization, and smooth performance. Measuring 30 x 18 x 12 inches and weighing 11.5 pounds, it boasts a 97-liter capacity, ideal for long trips or business travel. Its high-density ballistic nylon exterior, treated with DuraGuard coating, resists stains and abrasions, while leather accents add sophistication. 8. MagnaTrack self-aligning spinner wheels ensure effortless 360-degree movement, even on carpet. And the aluminum handle adjusts to 4 heights with a contoured grip. The interior features a fold-out suitor, compression panels, and multiple pockets, including a water-resistant toiletry bag and a USB port pocket. Power bank not included. Priced around $530, it's backed by a lifetime warranty covering defects and airline damage, if registered within 120 days. However, its size and weight can exceed airline limits when fully packed, risking extra fees. The soft side material, while durable, may show wear on edges over time, and the wheels, though smooth, have lower clearance for rough terrain compared to two-wheeled bags. The high price may deter budget travelers, and the complex organization system may feel excessive for light packers. Customer service issues like delayed responses have been noted. This suitcase excels for frequent flyers needing a robust, feature-rich checked bag, but may be overkill for occasional travelers or those prioritizing lightweight options.